بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے.
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق.
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا.
خلق الانسان من علق.
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی.
اقرأ وربک الاکرم.
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے.
الذی علم بالقلم.
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا.
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم.
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا.
Assalamu alaikum. We start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. This is class 4 and it is the third video of mathematics. In the last class we started unit number 1, decimal number. So first we know what is the decimal. Decimal is a symbol and shows by a dot like that. Dot اور full stop یعنی کہ decimal ہمارے پاس ایک symbol ہوتا ہے جس کو ہم dot سے show کرتے ہیں. So in this unit, first we start our lesson number 1, 10th. We covered lesson number 1, 10th in the last video. What is the 10th? The number shows after the decimal is called 10th. یعنی کہ decimal کے بعد ہمارے پاس جو number show ہوتا ہے وہ 10th کہلاتا ہے. These numbers also write as 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10. These also called a number of 10. Now we start in lesson number 2. This is mixed number and decimal. First we know what is the mixed number. Mixed number. Mixed number is a combination of whole number and fraction. How can we write? Mixed number is a combination of whole number and the fraction. Mixed number جو ہوتا ہے آپ کے پاس combination ہوتا ہے whole number اور fraction کا, یعنی کہ اس کے اندر دونوں چیزیں موجود ہوتی ہیں. ڈیسیمل جو ہوتا ہے وہ ڈیوائڈ کر دیتا ہے whole number کو fraction کو, دونوں کو الگ الگ کر دیتا ہے. یہاں پر مکس نمبر ہول نمبر اور فریکشن کو مکس اپ کرتا ہے لائک 2 whole 1 upon 10. ادھر 2 is a whole number one is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. 2 whole 1 upon 10. It is a mixed number. Now move and see a scale. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And this is a 17. The gap between two numbers has 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we cancel point, we write these numbers 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10 and then 17. Means कि or one number is divided into 10 equal parts. This called a fraction. And we write in this number is 1 upon 10 divide 1 divided by 10 is 0.1, and this is our decimal fraction. Okay, when we write these numbers that like 24 whole 1 upon 10. 24 is a whole number, 1 upon 10 is a fraction, and we write in mixed in decimal numbers. So how can we write 25 whole, then decimal point and 1? We change mixed number into fraction. Now move on our exercise. Our question number 1 is, look at your look at these number line. And write the decimal number. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. This is a number line. A line show point A, B, C, and D. These questions as it is given in your book, the points show A, B, C, D. Write the answer in the decimal 7. So we in the previous one we defined that point 1. So it is 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, and it is 7.5, 7.6, 7.7, 7.8, 7.9, then 8. After that, like this, apply this rule again. 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, 7, 8, 9, then 9. Now apply this rule again. 9.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 9.7. Now this is the answer of your question number 1. Now next part do yourself according to the content. Now move on question number 2. And question number 2 is, write these fractions as decimals. यानी कि इस क्वेश्चन में आपको फ्रैक्शंस गिवन है, आपने उसको डेसिमल्स में राइट करना है. लाइक पार्ट ए 6 whole 3 upon 10. Now it is a mixed number. This is 6 whole 3 upon 10. Now in the first we define this is a whole number, its numerator and denominator. What is the definition of mixed number? Mixed number is the combination of whole number and a fraction. When we change in the decimal, we write whole number 6, and 3 upon 10 can be write as 6.3. So 6 upon 3 is a decimal number. Now again part B, D, E solved by yourself. Now move on question number 4. Question 3 and 4. First we do question number 3. Our question number 3 is write these decimals as fraction. Write these decimals as fraction. Our question number 3 part A. Question is 24.8. Now change in the fraction. 24 is a whole. Point 8 can be write as 8 upon 10. Now again, move back on question number 2. Write this solution by yourself. First we multiply 6 by 10. 10 multiplies 6. It is 60 and plus 3 in the answer. 60 plus 3. This is 63 upon 10. Divide by 10. Now we divide 63 by 10. 10 6 63. When we multiply 10 from 6, 6 10 6 is 60. 3 minus 0 is 3. And we write decimal in the answer. यानी कि हम आंसर में decimal put करेंगे and add 0 with 3. Now 10 3 is 30. The answer is 6.3. कंटेंट में इस तरह से आपको सॉल्यूशन प्रोवाइड किया गया है तो आप इस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे. Now we move on question number 4. Question 4 is write the value of digit 2. Write the number as 1, 2.4. You write the value of this digit 2. Before decimal, the first number is unit. Second number is 10. After decimal, this number is tenths. So write the value of digit 2. Here we write the value of digit 2. Here 2 is unit. And I write this 1, 2, यानी कि 12.4. After decimal the number is provided by us. This is 10. Before decimal the first number is unit and second number is 10. We provide another example as 3.2. 3.2. Here 2 is written after decimal. So the number which is given after decimal is called tenths. Now we move on question number 5. And question number 5 is write less than or greater than. between these numbers. When we write these signs like this, the open part is shows the greater and the where the part is closed, यानी कि वो फिगर जिस साइड पर उसका मुंह बंद होता है, this is called less than, and we write this sign like this. The open side of the mouth, it is greater than. So our first question is 7.6 and 7.3. Now here we put the sign of less than or greater than. The whole numbers are same. Both sides 7 is written. And the after decimal, we saw the number of after decimal 6 or 3. 3 is smaller than 6. यानी कि 3 हमारे पास 6 से छोटा है और 6 हमारे पास बड़ा है. तो here we write the sign of greater than. तो यहाँ पर हम साइन कौन सा यूज करेंगे? greater than. ये सही नहीं हो रहा, रिकॉर्डिंग में लग जाती है. Now do the try this by yourself. This is tenth are used for measuring in centimeters like that. The arrows shows before 1, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. So simply write this number is 0.8. A. 0.8 is our decimal fraction. And write as a common fraction also. 2.8, the number after decimal is only one number, this is tenths. So 8 divided by tenths. This is our common fraction. इस क्वेश्चन को हम इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं. सबसे पहले हम कॉमन फ्रैक्शन लिखेंगे. दिस इज 8/10. जब आपने कॉमन फ्रैक्शन 8/10 लिख दिया, राइट कर दिया, then change into the decimal fraction. So we divide 8/10. Add decimal in the answer. Add 0 with 8. This is 80. Now easily 80 divided by 10. 10 के टेबल जब हम 8 तक पढ़ेंगे तो 10 adds up 80. The answer is 0.8. Now move on to lesson number 3. This is tenth and 100. We already know about what is tenths. Like 0.8, the first number right after the decimal, it is 10. When we put another number is tenths, first number is 10 and our second number is 100. So our whole lesson is based upon tenths and 100. Like that. Here. We draw a square box. Here we provide 100 small square box like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows, 10 columns. 100 square box. Now we cover one box with a color. So how can we write a fraction? One box is colored, divide by total boxes, and total boxes is 100. So we have a fraction of 100, यानी कि 1/100. So how can we change in the decimal? 1 divided by 100. We add point or decimal in the answer and write 0 with 1. Now it is 10 and it is 100. 10 is smaller than 100. We put another 0 with 10, it is 100, but we put a 0 in the answer. Before decimal से पहले तो हम एक 0 लगाते ही हैं, लेकिन वहां पर हमें आंसर के साथ भी एक 0 लगाते हैं जब हम दो 0 को एक साथ बढ़ाते हैं. ठीक है, तो 100 is the answer is 100 ones are 100. So we have a decimal fraction as 0.01, a 100 figure. First is unit and second is, first is tenths and the second is 100. हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 भी इसी तरह से है. हमारे पास 100 बॉक्सेस गिवन है और उसके अंदर का हमने शेडेड एरिया से फ्रैक्शन बनाना है. So question number 1 is, look at the shaded area. Write fraction and decimal for each. देखिए क्लास अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास एक फिगर दी गई जिसके अंदर शेडेड एरिया 8 बॉक्सेस गिवन है. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. टोटल बॉक्सेस हमारे पास 100 गिवन है और 8 बॉक्सेस को शेड कर दिया गया, यानी कि उस पर कलर कर दिया गया. तो टोटल बॉक्सेस जो हमने काउंट किए शेडेड एरियाज के, वो हमारे पास कितने हुए? 8. तो 8 हमारे पास शेडेड बॉक्सेस और टोटल बॉक्सेस हमारे पास कितने हैं? 100. तो 8/100 इज आवर फ्रैक्शन. And when we divide 8 from 100, we get a decimal fraction. Add decimal in the answer and put 0 with it. Again 0 put in the answer and put 0 with 0. It is 800. 800 divided by 100. 100 multiplied by 8 is 800. Now we get our decimal fraction is 0.08. The rest parts do yourself according to your content. Now move on question number 2. Question number 2 is, write these as 10th or 100th fraction. Question is, part A is 0.5. Question number 2 is write these as 10th or 100th fraction. यानी कि हमने इसमें बताना है कि 10th का फ्रैक्शन बनेगा या फिर 100 का क्वेश्चन आपके पास गिवन है, इट इज 0.5. when we solve it 0.5 after decimal, first unit is called tenths. So we know that this is a tenth fraction. We can write as 5 upon 10. Then we move on at part C, 0.03. This part is given the number after decimal, it is two number. The first is tenth and the second is 100. So it is a 100 fraction. So we can change in a 100 fraction, means 3 upon 100. It is a 100 fraction. Now move on, question number 3. Our question number 3 is write these as decimals. Write these as a decimals. Means क्या है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक फ्रैक्शन गिवन है, इसको हमने किसमें चेंज करना है, डेसिमल में. क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास 4 upon 10, यानी कि 4 न्यूमरेटर एंड 10 इज अ डिनोमिनेटर. तो हमेशा हम क्या करते हैं, न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर से. सो 4 डिवाइड बाय 10. When we divide 4 with 10, add decimal in the answer 0 point and put 0 with 4, it is 40, it makes 40 and 40 easily divided by 10. 10 का लेकिन जब हम 4 तक करेंगे 10 4s of 40. So our decimal fraction is 0.4. That is, हमने सिर्फ इतना ही करना है कि 4 upon 10 का हमने फ्रैक्शन राइट करना है, इट इज 4 upon 10. Now move on, question number 4. Our question number 4 is write these as decimals. हमारे पास यहाँ पे नंबर्स गिवन है, लाइक we have a question, part A is 7 tenths. 7 tenths. So we already know the number after decimal is tenths. So we can easily write as 0.7. 0.7 is our answer. When we move on our part C is 2600. So we have a question is 2600. तो हम क्वेश्चन से ही जाहिर हो रहा है कि हमें इसमें कौन सी फिगर बनानी है, 100 फिगर. और 100 फिगर क्या होती है, डेसिमल के बाद आपके पास 2 डिजिट राइट करने हैं आपने. तो 26 आपके पास क्वेश्चन है, 0.26 is our decimal fraction. Now we move on, try this. It's the last part of the chapter. Part A. Write each set in order, starting with the smallest. Six upon 100, 26 upon 100, 62 upon 100, Now 2 upon 100. प्राइड इसमें हमने करना क्या है, राइट ईच साइड इन ऑर्डर, हमने सिंपली इनको ऑर्डर में लिखना है, स्टार्टिंग विद स्मॉलेस्ट से स्टार्ट करना है। अब हमारे पास ये फ्रैक्शंस में फिगर्स गिवन है, अब इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, हम सबसे पहले डिनोमिनेटर चेक करते हैं। एक दो डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, अगर हमारे पास सबके डिनोमिनेटर सेम होते हैं तो हम ऑर्डर में लिखने के लिए न्यूमरेटर को चेक करते हैं। ठीक है, सिंपल भी होता है, यानी कि जिसका न्यूमरेटर सबसे छोटा होगा वो नंबर हमारे पास स्मॉलेस्ट होगा। फिर जैसे जैसे आपके पास न्यूमरेटर बढ़ते जाएंगे देन नंबर लार्ज में कन्वर्ट होता जाएगा। लाइक फर्स्ट नंबर इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इन द न्यूमरेटर इज 2, so the first smallest number is 2 upon 100. Again denominator are the same, the number bigger than 2 is 6, so second number is 6 upon 100, like that third number is 26 upon 100 and the fourth number is 62 upon 100. Now this is your lesson 2 and 3. Now move on your diary. And the diary is change this number in tenths or 100. The numbers is part A is 0.03 and B is 0.05. Again question number 2. Change this as decimals. Three whole 6 upon 10 and B part is 2 whole 2 upon 10. And now solve lesson 2 and 3 according to your content page number 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18 and 21. I hope you have got everything. In the next video we will do our lesson number 4, multiply and divide by 100. If you have any problem, watch this video again and again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.